If you're finding it tough to focus or just need a mental break from the demands of your day, you're in the right place. Every busy person needs a moment to reset, and this time is just for you. Hello, and welcome to your 5-minute midday stress reset. Find a comfortable seated position wherever you are. Give yourself permission to release any distractions, thoughts, or mental heaviness. You don't need to carry them through this meditation. Set a quiet intention to be fully present for these 5 minutes. Now let's step out of the thought stream that pulls us away from the here and now by grounding ourselves in the physical body. Feel your whole body as you sit. Notice the points of pressure at your seat. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face, the eyes, your forehead, and separate the lower row of teeth from the upper row so that the jaw is unclenched. It's a little act of care for your body. Now bring your attention to your breath. The breath is your reset button. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly as you breathe. Don't overthink this part. If you can breathe, you can do this. Feel the coolness of the inhale as it moves in through the nose, the warmth of the exhale as it moves out. You may notice passing thoughts through your awareness, trying to take your attention away. This is perfectly normal. You're not failing, you're just human. See this as an opportunity to gently train the mind. When you become aware that your mind has wandered, simply acknowledge it with kindness, and then come back to the flow of your breath. We are creating a space of clarity and peace wherever you are. The breath is your home base, your safe place to rest when the mind feels chaotic. For these final moments, feel the quiet stillness you've cultivated. Savor the fact that you showed up and dedicated this time to yourself. As you go about your day, see if you can carry this sense of presence with you. The breath and body sensations are your reset button if you ever need them, as is this guided meditation. If you're looking for a longer meditation or my full-length mindful movement practices, you can find them all right here. Simply subscribe to the Maro Yoga channel to keep your practice going and to ensure you see all my new content. Wishing you a wonderfully mindful day. Until next time.